and today I'm going to introduce you to Mobile Wallet and Send Salsa, where I am the CEO and co-founder. Crypto adoption and remittance today are excluding the unbanked population. There are excessive delays, 2 to 3 days. There's a high cost. There is a remittance from Africa that is not being handled, as well as there's a lack of infrastructure. I'm introducing you today to Mobile Wallet, a 24/7 on and off ramp for crypto users that have mobile money or cash that need to buy and sell crypto. We offer instant remittances, increased security, and we are available in 10 locations in Cameroon. Living in the US, sending money to my parents back home who live in Cameroon has been a challenge. There's been delays, and so we came up with Send Salsa, a remittance service built on WhatsApp. Without any blockchain technology, without leaving the application, I can now send money to my mom with 2 clicks. Mobile Wallet is currently doing about 50K in monthly transactions. We are live on the XRPL mainnet, and we have national contracts with MTN, Orange, and UBA Me2You. Send Salsa is also live on XRPL mainnet with the integration of RLUSD and XRP that could be sent and received on WhatsApp. So Gerald, what changed? What changed is we do have solid partnerships integrating with XRPL, MTN, Orange, and Me2You. We also have the proper infrastructure, and we're doing the transaction from end to end, originating the transaction from any country and terminating it in another. Our roadmap is pretty simple. We start with infrastructural licensing in the United States, Texas, and we terminate with expanding to several countries in Africa and around the world. We are a team of experienced technicians, and we love to solve real life problems. What are we looking for? We're looking for 500K in liquidity, and we are also looking for 100K in product development, compliance, and growth. Thank you.